In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get attendance using Action Network in N8n. This is a quick and simple workflow step that can help you pull attendance data directly into your automation without wasting time doing it manually. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more N8n tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. This is the workflow where you want to add the attendance action, so make sure you're in the right place before you continue. Once your workflow is open, look over to the nodes panel on the right-hand side. This is where you can search for and add new nodes to your automation. In the nodes panel, choose Action Network. You can either search for it directly or scroll until you find it. Once you select Action Network, N8n will load the available actions for that node. From the list of options, choose Get an Attendance. This is the exact action you need if you want to retrieve attendance information from Action Network. After selecting Get an Attendance, the next step is to configure what you want. This is where you set up the details so the node knows exactly what attendance data to pull. Fill in the required fields based on your workflow needs and make sure the configuration matches the result you want to receive. If your setup depends on specific records or identifiers, enter those carefully so the node can return the correct attendance information. Once everything is configured, review your settings one more time to make sure they are correct. Then save or execute the node as needed in your workflow. At that point, your Action Network node will be ready to get attendance inside N8n. And that's it. You've now learned how to get an attendance using Action Network in N8n. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick automation guides just like this one.